Received a TCD file from a designer or architect? This is a TurboCAD drawing, precision engineering and architectural design work in an accessible CAD format. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and convert these technical drawings. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated TCD file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. TCD files are drawing files created by TurboCAD, containing 2D drafting and 3D modeling data for architectural, mechanical, and engineering design. They store geometric entities, dimensions, annotations, layers, and viewport configurations within TurboCAD's native file format for technical drawing and solid modeling. TurboCAD TCD files use a proprietary format, storing 2D entities including lines, arcs, splines, and hatches, along with 3D solid bodies, surface models, dimension strings, text annotations, layer definitions, and name view configurations with print layout page setups. Your primary software solution for TCD files should be TurboCAD from MC Design. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows offers restricted visibility into model features, so full review requires appropriate CAD programs. We're performing an initial software compatibility check. Right-click your TCD file and choose Open With. Test TurboCAD first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often yields a quick solution. If your TCD file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The universal solution is coming, but first, the explanation. Here is the technical breakdown of why your system is rejecting the TCD file. First, opening in TurboCAD. Install TurboCAD from turbocad.com and open the TCD file using File then Open. The drawing displays in the 2D drafting view or 3D modeling workspace with all geometry layers, annotations and dimensions rendered correctly. Navigate between model space and paper space layouts using the viewport tabs. Next, converting to DWG format. In TurboCAD, save the drawing as AutoCAD DWG or DXF format using File then Save As. Select the target AutoCAD version for maximum compatibility. The conversion preserves most geometric entities, layers, and dimension styles for opening in AutoCAD BricsCAD or other DWG-compatible CAD applications. Finally, viewing without TurboCAD. Use the free TurboCAD viewer or a universal CAD viewer, such as Autodesk Online Viewer, to open TCD files for inspection and measurement. For DWG converted files, use the free Autodesk DWG TrueView for full viewing, measuring, and plotting capabilities without a TurboCAD license. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.